Russia's territorial gains in Ukraine have slowed significantly according to data from the UK Ministry of Defense and the US-based Institute for the Study of War, both noting a steady monthly decline since January. This slowdown coincides with renewed US-brokered ceasefire efforts. Despite increasing its troop numbers from 150,000 to over 600,000, Russia has made limited progress. Most occupied areas were seized in 2014 and early 2022. Ukraine's 2023 counteroffensive reclaimed about 20,000 square kilometers, and Russia has yet to recover that ground. Recent advances in eastern Ukraine, including the capture of Katerinovka in Donetsk, have been minimal and costly. Ukraine reports Russian casualties now exceed 430,000, more than those in 2022 and 2023 combined. Analysts warn that at the current pace, fully capturing Donetsk could take years. Alongside ground efforts, Russia has escalated aerial attacks and diplomatic pressure. Drone strikes surged by over 50,000 from January to February. In March, Russian forces pushed into parts of Ukraine's Kursk region, with further operations expected in Kharkiv and Sumy. Ukraine also fears that upcoming Russia-Belarus military drills may be used to reposition troops, echoing tactics seen before the 2022 invasion. Diplomatically, Moscow has accused President Zelensky of losing control over his military and blamed Kyiv for ceasefire violations targeting energy infrastructure. Russia claims recent Ukrainian strikes disrupted power and gas supplies, while Ukraine reported hitting a drone component factory, an explosives plant, and downing a Russian bomber. Over the weekend, Russia launched its largest attack in a month, firing cruise and ballistic missiles and over 100 drones. Ukraine intercepted most but 5 ballistic missiles, 3 were rare, killing 20 people, including 9 children, and prompting an emergency UN Security Council meeting. Fighting has also intensified at sea and in the air. Some of the weekend's missiles were launched from ships and submarines, breaking an informal Black Sea ceasefire. Both sides report frequent drone intercepts this week. In a separate development, Ukraine says it captured 2 Chinese soldiers in Donetsk, with Zelensky claiming at least 6 were involved and warning of more embedded in Russian units. China denied involvement, but the US called the reports deeply concerning. Russian media had previously shown footage suggesting Chinese military presence. Ceasefire talks between Russia and the US are scheduled to resume in Istanbul on Thursday.